Hello, everybody. What is going on? Today is Tuesday. I don't think I checked if there's any news today, but I will. No, there's no news today. But what do we see? So, overnight, price opened. We dropped lower. We're not below true day open, below 830 as well. Price is pushing down, but ES still has yet to sweep London lows right here. These relative equal lows from London. Um, So I'm thinking to myself that I want price to sweep London, and then continue possibly lower into this range. Of course, this range itself stops around here at this 4-hour fair value gap. So it's a bit tricky again. See what price really wants to do. If you want to continue lower to the higher time frame, it should be down here, which I do believe price would probably do so, but it is tricky. So I'm just gonna wait until London gets swept on ES, see what sort of reaction we get, if any. If you want to go lower or higher, yeah, we swept all of this sell side equals sell side, and that's kind of maybe our Judas swing of the day. 930 open right there. We had a little push up, swept this little low, push down. So yeah, it's unclear as of now. I have this little indicator telling me if price wants to keep going down or not. But it looks like price formed this some sort of equal low on ES, which is kind of weird. Yeah, it's really not quite understood. Let's see. This candle low, 6763. Yeah, 6763. Yeah, we made equal lows right there. We really just have to see what price wants to do here. If we want to respect this top half or not, but we are below trade open at 8:30 a.m. So it's definitely going to be a bit strange, bit tricky, bit tricky. We have this gap right here as well. Price could end up just pushing its way up. So yeah, we really have to see. I'll update you guys. So we're back. Ended up taking this little small trade, 1 to 1.6, just targeting this sell side liquidity in the New York AM session. Really much at the CE of this 4-hour fair value gap as well. Just price been showing bearish structure, so I do believe this to be a trade that could play out, possibly. It's in equilibrium of this little low time frame range. Just if price wants to go there in the end. Um, yeah, that's just a trade I'm expecting to see how it plays out. I also changed my what do you call it? My little thingy too. So yeah. Um, but 10 a.m. just hit, so I don't know. We could reverse here maybe. Uh, maybe not. If we do, then it is what it is. I lost the trade, but um, I see bearish confluence is pushing through and through, so I'm just seeing if price could see if we're a little bit oversold on the entire range. Anyways, just targeting the low hanging fruit, which is that sell side liquidity. On the 5 minute, you see this little low. This is a New York AM session low, so that's the reason why I'm targeting it, and the reason I'm not targeting a lot lower, because I mean we could go and end up back into this range, but I'm not taking it just because um, like I don't know, I just don't have confidence. Okay, I'm not the most confident individual when it comes to taking trades like this, or just trades in general. So this is the type of trade I'm expecting to hit. Of course, we'll have to see. Other targets could be this sell side liquidity down here. All these 4-hour fair value gaps right there. But yeah, I don't know. I'm not gonna try and do too much for no reason. So looks like price is chopping up on my entry anyways, so that doesn't give us the best confluence. But I'll let you guys know, update you guys on the trade. So this is my trade idea. I took it right at this order block aligned with this 2-minute fair value gap. We are pretty much in drawdown right now. My loss would only be, I think, 300, and I'm just targeting this relative equal, or this sell side liquidity at the 4-hour fair value gap CE. But I don't know. We could end up losing this trade. Seeing as price maybe made this form this Judas swing, but to me, from what my market perspective was, just like I was imagining price to be wanting to go lower, just based off the huge push that we already made, at least into this imbalance and to equilibrium, but it, you know, maybe not, possibly not. Yep, actually looks like we're gonna get stopped out right now. Quite sad, quite sad. Unless this internal high holds, that could help as well. Tapping into this fair value gap again on the 5 minute, right? So these are all just different confluences that could hold, but I don't know. I still don't have much confidence in the trades that I take. I kind of just hope, but I mean, I take them off of decent confluence, I guess. I really don't know, but yeah. I guess I'll update you guys if I win the trade. If I lose the trade, either or. So thank you, and I will talk to you in a sec. We lost this day. Price looks like it just wants to push up. Just confusing to me because, I mean, at least reaching equilibrium would have been, I don't know, something at least, right? But I guess price making equal lows right here on ES should have been a sign that we would use that as liquidity to push back up. I'm trying to control my emotions because it hurts every time I lose. It just like, damn. Okay. I guess I got caught in that Judas swing to go lower. Um, Even though, I don't know, like, it's a lot of confluences at the lows. But yeah, that's it for the day. Um, it for the day. Should have waited, I guess. Or what am I supposed to wait for though? Like, I mean, we got bear structure, boom, bear structure, boom. And the one that I enter off of, okay, nothing. That's cool though. Yeah, it's fine though. Yep, it's dope. That's dope. That's so dope, man. Yeah, that's it.